guys, what's up? I'm Nermi and this is Red Luna Journal. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is so exciting. This is finally my thrift flip video. One thing I have to mention about these thrift flips that I did, I don't have any of the right materials, so this is a perfect video for beginners. I really just used a pair of like sharp eyebrow scissors because I'd rather use that than kitchen scissors, and that's it. Like, I don't know how to sew. I like kind of know how to sew from like when I was younger, but not good enough to like actually, you know, do that on clothes. So this is a really great video if you have no freaking experience and no materials at home either, and you just want to kind of spice up your clothes. I have picked basically 3 items in my closet that I think needed a makeover. I definitely was not liking how they originally looked and wouldn't really wear them or know how to style them, and so I wanted to kind of thrift flip it or DIY it or upcycle it, whatever you want to call it, to like more of what my style is and more of like what I would actually enjoy wearing. So yeah, with that being said, let's get on with the rest of this video. One thing to remember when you're doing thrift flips at home without like that much help is to kind of keep the fabric taut. That's really important to get a straight and even cut. And so sometimes with shorts and t-shirts like this, you know, it's best to kind of like put the fabric between your knee or your elbow and then hold it with the other hand so that it kind of creates that tension. That's what I end up doing. It's kind of a half-assed way to do that, but yeah, I don't even have that much experience cutting stuff. It's honestly just like crop tops and maybe the occasional shorts when I was younger, but yeah. So the first item I decided to thrift flip is these beautiful dark blue denim shorts. These are from JCPenney. They're from the brand St. John's Bay. It's a well-fitting short. Like, these honestly are the most comfortable shorts I have. They're just so nice. My mom actually gave them to me because she doesn't really like wearing shorts, so they're actually hers, but my mom and I are pretty close in size, so yeah. But these shorts are like a nice high-rise. It sits like right above my belly button. It's just so comfortable and stretchy, yet like form-fitting, and makes the butt look good too, so that's always a plus point. So the main like wow factor of these shorts is the embroider patch on the right side. So this embroider patch, it's like a lighter blue kind of thread, and it's kind of like a couple of flowers just on the right side of the shorts, and so I really wanted to make sure that this was still incorporated in the new design. Basically, these shorts are just too long. I don't like how long they are. They're just like not attractive on me, and I'm like a relatively short gal. Like, I'm average height, I'm 5'4", and so I was like, I don't know, they just don't go with my vibe. I have fuller hips and thighs. I don't really have like straight thighs, so I don't think the whole biker short length really looks great on me, so I wanted to cut them into shorter shorts and make them look a little bit more natural and rusticy. With these shorts, I basically put a safety pin where I was thinking of cutting. Now remember, for shorts, you kind of want to cut longer towards the crotch area and then like shorter as you get up towards the outer thigh area, because that's like the shape that shorts fit in. You never want to cut like straight, because the crotch area you want to be like covered, obviously. These shorts were definitely hard to cut because the material was so thick. It was pretty insane. So yeah, for these jean shorts, I just kind of marked it with a safety pin, and I really just went ham. I just cut off what I wanted to, and obviously I made sure to kind of cut off less first. With these shorts, I actually didn't have to go in again, so I guess I ended up doing like a perfect amount, but it's always better to do less and more. Just remember that. Like, I could have cut these shorter, but I honestly like them the way they are now, so just do less and then you can always cut off more if you need. These shorts definitely, again, they weren't really straight. Like, I kind of like the more distressed, messier look, so that's kind of what I was going for, but the line that I was cutting definitely was like curvy in some spots, so that's that. I mean, you can definitely use like a measuring tape or like a straight edge or something to like make sure you do it completely straight. Once again, it's gonna go on your body, so like it's gonna curve with your like curves anyways, so I kind of didn't really care about it and just made sure like it was even on both sides, because that's my biggest worry. And then these shorts turned out so beautiful. I honestly love them. I love that the embroider patch hits right at the bottom. They're so cute like that, and I just think it's like a cute vibe. I'm not really into dark denim shorts or just dark denims in general. I prefer the lighter side of denim washes, but I really like how these turned out. They're just more like cut off vibey, and yeah, I really like these. So my second thrift flip was this white t-shirt. I have this white t-shirt from my mom, actually. Basically, our relatives in Australia had gifted us this t-shirt, and it's in a size 10. It's like a nice thick tank top. It's a really nice soft linen material, but It's a size 10. My mom and I are like a size 4, maybe a 6. It's definitely a lot on the bigger side, and I think the main part that really bothered me about this shirt, which is literally why I never wore it, is just the fit is just so big on the waist area. Like there's just no form fitting there. You can't even tell the waistline, so I honestly never really even wore this shirt. For this shirt, it has a lot of character to it already. It's so adorable. It has these little like patterned flower cutouts at the top around the neckline, and then it has like this ruffling and the 2 strings that cause the cinching around the neck. And so it's a really beautiful shirt by itself already, but I just wanted to kind of change the fit of it a little bit. So pretty much what I did was I took this green shirt that I already have these ties built into. That one came like this, like I bought it from the store like that, and I basically compared it to the white shirt. That was my goal for this shirt, was to create like a tie kind of a thing that I could just tie in and cinch in. Of course, if I had a sewing machine, I would sew like the double hem and like put elastic through it and have it cinch in that way, and it probably would have been way cuter that way, but I don't have those materials, so we're just gonna work with what I have. After a bit, I figured out that laying the green shirt on top of the white shirt was the best way to do this, just because the material of the white shirt is so thin. I really had to follow an exact stencil because any wrong move would have like ripped the shirt in half. So I hiked up the green shirt a little bit more to where I wanted the white shirt ties to be, because the green one is not really cropped, and I wanted this one to be a little bit more cropped and peasant top like. So I pretty much just started cutting the little flaps to actually tie it, and then I also realized in the middle that I probably should safety pin the back of the shirt to the white shirt just to make sure that I cut the back straight as well, along with the same measurements. And also this one was definitely the hardest one for sure, because once again the fabric was really thin, but I also had to make sure like everything was straight, there weren't any creases and stuff like that, because linen is obviously a fabric that creases really easily. So I didn't really have anything to like hold, but I have this wooden bamboo desk thing, so I kind of laid it flat on top of that. And then obviously for the back, I flipped it over and then cut a straight line. This was so nerve-wracking, guys, because again, the fabric is just so thin. I didn't want it to be curvy. It ended up looking pretty okay. Of course it was jagged. Of course it would look better with like an actual sewn hem and all of that, but again, I don't really have the materials to do that, so I think it turned out fine the way it did. But yeah, this is how the white top turned out. The ties, I feel like I could have made longer and maybe wider so that I could have had like more material to tie. But again, this material was super thin, so that's kind of what I expected anyways. But this top turned out so cute. It's at the perfect like length. It's like kind of mid belly button. It's not too cropped, and the ties do definitely kind of create that cinching action. It's not as cinched as I would like it to be, as like it would be with like elastic or something, but it's not bad. Like I definitely can actually wear this top out now, so I'm really excited to wear this out and start styling it. Okay guys, and the third thrift flip that I did were these pair of black shorts. These shorts are actually from my last to last video, so it's 2 videos ago I did a clothing haul. So they're from JCPenney, and again, like I said, I'm not a fan of dark wash jeans. Like I don't know why I don't like them, but I really wanted a pair of black shorts, and I didn't want anything that was like insanely distressed on like the thigh area. So with these black shorts, my goal was to create again another pair of cutoffs similar to my first pair of shorts, but make them kind of like Levi styled. And the great thing about these shorts is that it comes with this fraying towards the end. And so these shorts originally are really great. They're so form-fitting. It's a size 4, and they make the booty look great. They hug the waist. They're perfect. They're a nice stretchy jean material, and they're really cute, but they weren't that short enough for me. Like I wanted these black ones to be a little shorter, a little bit more frayed and distressed toward the end. So for these pair of shorts, this was by far the easiest thrift flip, and I highly encourage you guys to do this if you have shorts like these. I literally just cut off the fraying, and since the fraying was all around the short and it was really even on these pair, it was so easy. I pretty much just cut up to the fraying and then cut to the side and cut off the entire fraying off the short. So I didn't really have to like measure anything near the crotch area or like on the outer part of the area, make sure the shape was even for these shorts. So that was a great help, honestly. Also, you can tell that I definitely cut off a lot more on the back than I was supposed to. That was not my plan, but I've already worn these shorts once, and the back like kind of flips up when you wear them, and so that's another reason why I wanted to get rid of the fraying, because I had the normal denim shorts like that too from the same haul, and on those like light wash I feel like the fraying looks a lot better, but I don't like it on the black shorts, so I cut it off. And again, the back was definitely like, I cut off a lot more on the back than I did on the front, but I ended up doing the same mistake on the right side, so it was kind of okay at the end because it ended up being like the same amount that was taken off evenly. So now these shorts look really cute and distressed. I love it because I feel like it kind of looks like those black Levi's oversized fit kind of shorts that I was kind of going for, and so I am really in love with these shorts. I'm so glad I cut those. And yeah, that was the last thrift flip. Alright guys, so that's gonna be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, I just really wanted to do a cute little thrift flip for you guys. I always have pieces in my closet, I feel like, that I need to like revamp to fit my like current style, so I highly encourage you guys to like take up a couple of pieces that you aren't feeling so inspired with and look up different ways that you can actually kind of modify them, and with whatever's kind of at home. Like I said, I only use a pair of like tiny eyebrow scissors for this and like one safety pin, so you can really do this with like anything, even if you just have a pair of scissors. So I highly encourage you guys to try this out. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!
Missing someone